Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we delve into the wonders of the natural world and explore the fascinating creatures that inhabit it. I'm your host, David, and I'm thrilled to have you joining me on this journey today. As we celebrate World Gorilla Day, launched in 2017 to coincide with the 50th anniversary of the establishment of a Rwanda-based gorilla study center founded by Dian Fossey, we're reminded of the majesty and beauty of these incredible animals. Our closest living relatives after chimpanzees, gorillas are of comparable importance for the study of human origins and evolution. In fact, scientists have found that humans share up to 98% of their DNA with gorillas. As we venture into the world of gorillas, we find ourselves in the lush forests of Central Africa, where these gentle giants roam free. The eastern gorilla, also known as the mountain gorilla, inhabits the Virunga Massif, a mountainous area spanning parts of Congo, Rwanda, and Uganda. The western gorilla, on the other hand, can be found in West and Central Africa. Gorillas are social creatures that live in families, led by a dominant male silverback. These magnificent animals can weigh up to 180 kilograms and reach heights of over 1.7 meters. Despite their size, they're herbivores, feeding on leaves, shoots, and stems of plants. They've even been known to snack on ants and snails. But gorillas are facing numerous threats, including habitat loss due to deforestation and poaching. The International Union for Conservation of Nature lists both gorilla species as endangered, with 3 of 4 subspecies critically endangered. It's a sobering reminder of the impact human activities can have on the natural world. As we explore the world of gorillas, we're also reminded of the importance of conservation efforts. Organizations like the Dian Fossey Gorilla Fund and the International Gorilla Conservation Program are working tirelessly to protect these incredible animals and their habitats. We'll be taking a closer look at some of these conservation efforts in future episodes, but for now, let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty and majesty of gorillas. From their gentle nature to their impressive size, these creatures continue to fascinate us. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. I'm your host, David. We've been exploring some fascinating stories from the natural world today, and now we're going to dive into a tale that's making waves in Western Australia. A school of sharks has been spotted circling near the Swan River site where teenager Stella Berry was tragically killed by a bull shark 2 years ago. As we delve into this story, let's set the scene. The Swan River, which flows through the heart of Perth, is home to a diverse range of marine life. But it's also a place where humans and sharks intersect, sometimes with devastating consequences. The recent sighting of a school of sharks in the river has sparked debate among fishers and scientists about the breed of sharks that might be nesting in the area. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, sharks, aren't they just mindless killers? But the truth is, these incredible creatures play a vital role in maintaining the health of our oceans. And when we talk about shark species like bull sharks or bronze whalers, we're talking about animals that are adapted to thrive in different environments. The SharkSmart website has been tracking the school of sharks since Monday, with 2 sightings recorded less than 24 hours apart at the same location. The public reports estimate the sharks to be between 1.5 and 2 meters in length, and some have identified them as bull sharks. However, commercial fisher Glenn Foxton believes they might be bronze whalers, which are known to school up in large numbers. As we explore this story further, it's essential to remember that shark attacks on humans are rare. But when they do happen, they can have a profound impact on our communities. The death of Stella Berry was a tragedy that shook the people of Perth and has led to increased efforts to understand and manage shark populations in the Swan River. Scientists from the Department of Biodiversity, Conservation and Attractions are currently analyzing the vision of the sharks to determine their species. Bull sharks are known to nest in the inlets of the Swan River, and while sightings of them are not unusual, any potential school is noteworthy. In fact, a shark tagging program set up after Stella's death has only caught and released 2 juvenile bull sharks in the Swan Canning estuary since its inception. As we continue to learn more about these incredible creatures, it's essential to approach the topic with a sense of wonder and respect. Sharks have been on our planet for over 400 million years, long before humans ever set foot on land. They're an integral part of the ocean's ecosystem, and their loss could have far-reaching consequences for the health of our planet. So, what can we take away from this story? Firstly, it's a reminder that sharks are wild animals that deserve our respect and caution. Secondly, it highlights the importance of continued research and conservation efforts to protect these incredible creatures. And finally, it's a testament to the complex relationships between humans and the natural world. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Nature Walk. We'll be exploring more fascinating tales from the natural world, and I'm excited to share them with you. Welcome back to Nature Walk, dear listeners. As we conclude our journey through the natural world today, I'd like to take you to a place where the rugged beauty of Scotland's Isle of Jura meets the harsh reality of plastic pollution. It's a story that will both inspire and disturb you as we explore the impact of human actions on our planet's delicate ecosystems. Meet Tabby, a 17-year-old from the Isle of Jura, who has seen firsthand the devastating effects of plastic waste on her community's beaches. After a powerful storm, she witnessed dead birds entangled in plastic, their bodies a grim reminder of the consequences of our throwaway society. The images are haunting: a dead goat with its head stuck in a plastic fishing net, red deer feeding on seaweed entangled in washed-up fishing nets, and the ever-present threat of microplastics to wildlife and human health. Tabby's experience sparked a passion within her to take action, and she launched a petition calling for a ban on single-use plastics in Scotland. Her determination is admirable, and her message resonates with many. By cutting out single-use items, we can create a more sustainable footprint in the natural world. As she so eloquently puts it, I'm from a very small community. You don't get to aim big when you are somewhere small. As we delve deeper into this story, we find that Tabby's concerns are echoed by her community and beyond. MSPs for the Highlands and Islands have expressed support for her petition, acknowledging the need for urgent action to address the growing problem of plastic pollution. The statistics are stark: a 9.5% increase in single-use plastic collected on UK beaches in 2024 compared to the previous year. While there are challenges to implementing a blanket ban, it's heartening to see young people like Tabby taking the lead in demanding change. As Ariane Burgess, Green MSP for Highlands and Islands, said, "The amount of plastic waste washing up on coastal communities shore is overwhelming. It's clear that we need to rethink our relationship with plastic and work towards a more circular economy." As we conclude this story, I'm reminded of the power of individual actions and the importance of collective responsibility. We can all make a difference by reducing our use of single-use plastics, supporting organizations working to address plastic pollution, and advocating for policy changes that prioritize the health of our planet. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, keep exploring your natural world.